Now, what if you created a video for a brand and they took that video, they really liked it, and they reposted it to their page? Is that okay or is it not? In Social Suite, my membership, I've had this situation happen with so many of my students, which is very unfortunate, but there's a really good way you can handle this. Now, if the brand took it and just simply reposted it to their page, that is called organic usage, and most creators, when they're doing partnerships with brands, do not actually charge for organic usage. Now, if the brand took it and used it in a paid ad, that's a completely different story. That needs to be formally compensated, no ifs, ands, or buts. But if a brand took that video that you created and reposted it to their page, you have two different ways that you can play this. You can either get really mad and ask them to take it down because they didn't ask for your permission, or you can utilize this to hopefully get into the good graces of this brand and maybe turn it into a paid partnership. I might send them a message saying, hey, I see that you like this video enough to repost it. I actually have some content ideas for how we can create even more of this content. What's the best person to contact? If the brand liked your content enough to post it once, chances are they probably want to see what else you have up your sleeve. Use this as a potential business opportunity. I personally would not go straight to getting pissed off.